Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2013 EEE paper. The question is the impulse response of a continuous time system is given by which is h of t which is equal to del of t minus 1 plus del of t minus 3. What is the step response at del of t? T is equal to 2. So they ask step response at t is equal to 2. What is step response with respect to impulse response? Step response is nothing but integral of impulse response because integration of impulse is step. So here impulse response is del of t minus 1, del of t minus 3. If you integrate del, what you get is u. So because del is a impulse, if you integrate a impulse, what you get is step. So if I integrate impulse response, I get step response. So that means I integrate this equation. So if I integrate impulse, I get step at t minus 1. If I integrate impulse at t minus 3, I get step at t minus 3. What they are asking, step response at t is equal to 2. So that is equal to, t is equal to 2 means u1, this is u of minus 1. We know u of 1 is 1 and u of minus 1 is 0 because u start from 0 to infinity with value 1. So u of 1 it will be here, minus 1 will be here. So this is 0, this is 1. So the answer is step response at 2 is equal to 1. So option B is correct. Thank you.